Wow, 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 wow. My country people, this is Beyond the Ballot. On SA Corner with Queen Lebumkhize. Ngifuna ukuthi gwaza mkhonto, gwaza. Lirumola sichaba tlaba. The spear of the nation rise up and stand up for the people, by the people. What a moving statement. This is politics. This is what we are all talking about. This is what we've been longing for. And indeed, like he said, Honorable Mr. Reddy, representing, of course, the government of MK, sent by the only President Zuma, to represent the hopes, the aspiration, the future of majority of South Africans. It is what it is. It is what it is. While we are still fighting the good fight, after the very inconclusive South African elections 2024, aluta continua. But right now, what is happening in this parliament, of convenience, the GNU, we are very well represented. And thank you for standing up and understanding that you are there for the people. Number one, it's a priority, because for a long time, politicians have made this thing all about themselves, their families and their fellow cadres. It was never about the people on the ground. Hence, we find ourselves as a nation after 30 years of democracy still where we are at, where the poor has become poorer, where the marginalized are even more marginalized. Our people are living in shacks like dogs. Our people cannot even afford to put a plate of food on the table for their families. Our people are even deprived of small jobs, minor jobs. Because it was never about the people, but about serving the interest of their handlers, about even, oppressing the oppressed. How long will South Africans suffer? South Africans suffered under the white minority government of apartheid. The natives suffered even under the government of democracy. And hell no, we are saying we're not going to suffer under the GNU. The people of South Africa has spoken. The people were tired of the current living conditions, of being deprived of basic services, of basic social needs. And they come back and they say our people are unskilled. Our people are unemployable. Our people are not educated enough. Whose problem is it? The first statement of this GNU that put itself in power is to discredit us as a native of this country, as natives of this country. But thank God to see what's happening now in Parliament, because it was about the time that the progressive movements get together and fight for a common cause. Why? Because the enemy is a common enemy. We are all facing a common enemy, the system. A very wicked system. And I'm going to continue to tell you, my people, that for as long as the wicked remains in power, the people will mourn. I like when this video continued. That's what brought me here. When Mr. Reddy, Commander Reddy, Honorable Reddy, is asking the ANC to say, what will you say? The question is the ANC. What will you say, my ANC? When you meet in the corridors of heaven, he said, what will you say to the Chris Hannis? What will you say to your Solomon Mahlangu? What will you say to Mama Madikizela Mandela, Oliver Tambo and them? That you sold out the struggle. You surrendered the struggle. You sold back your people. Now that we've got a problem when the people are rightfully, voted for in power by the people. But the question remains is, who even voted you? The people of this country has rejected you openly, so, and with everything in them. and you think you can continue to rule over the people, that's why you are nowhere. You are not in this whole debate. Your voices are gone. You don't exist. You have swallowed yourselves. You have buried yourselves. You have buried the hopes of the people of South Africa, the people that invested in you, hoping and believing your lies that you are there to take them out of oppression, to take them out of poverty. But where are we now? What will you say when you meet the Chris Hannes? What will you say, my ANC, when you meet the likes of Oliver Tambo, the Chris Hannes, the people that laid down their lives to liberate the natives of this country? It is a shame indeed, but anyway, Gwaza mkonto, gwaza lirumo la sechaba, gwaza the spirit of the nation. Uyazilwela ke umkhonto, uyahlakaza, konagele kakhulu. And guess what? The people will still govern. The people will be free, whether you like it or not. We are in a fight, my people. This is a deep spiritual warfare. Is the spirit, is a fight of the soul of South Africa. But hang on, because guess what? Your future is bright. Thank you very much once again, and well done, MK. Well done, the Progressive Party, of course. It is what it is, and yeah, we loving what you are seeing. God bless you, South Africa. Hang in there. It won't be long anymore. Shalom, shalom. I am Queen Lebum Kiza, Mother of Nations. On Beyond the Ballot SA corner is very interesting. Ziakala. Shalom, shalom, shalom. I love you all. God bless you.